Hey everyone, it's Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. So let's talk about something that can save sellers a lot of heartache down the road, a pre-listing home inspection. So here's the deal. When you list your home, buyers will almost always do an inspection after you're under contract. And guess what? That's when surprises love to show up. You know the kind, the roof leak you didn't know about, the outdated electrical panel, or that sneaky crawl space issue, rodent activity, the chimney's missing its cap, or a roof at the end of its serviceable life. Suddenly, the buyer gets nervous and the deal, poof, canceled. They don't even ask for any repairs. They just hit the road. Buyers are canceling without asking for repairs at a much higher rate in this post-COVID market. Sellers don't have to fix every or even any item that a pre-inspection uncovers, but the inspection gives them a chance to make repairs that could improve the marketability of their home. It also enables them to disclose issues up front. Buyers can factor in needed repairs into their offer rather than using them as a reason to walk away later. A pre-listing inspection flips that script. You find out the issues before you go on the market on your timeline, not in a panic mode mid-contract. You can fix what needs fixing. If you need to put on a new roof, you can now price the home accordingly. It builds trust with buyers, reduces renegotiations, and helps your home stand out as move-in ready. Plus, it shows you're proactive, and buyers love that. And the sellers can sleep better knowing that nothing unexpected will surprise them after the buyer's inspection. Now, not every home needs a pre-inspection. It depends on how long you've lived in the home. If you bought it 3 years ago and you had it inspected then, you might be okay. But if you lived in the home 20 plus years, you really will benefit from one. So, before that for sale sign goes up, consider doing a pre-listing inspection. A little preparation now can mean a smooth sale later. Fewer canceled contracts, less surprises. If you're thinking about selling in Kitsap County and want help getting your home ready for the market, give me a call. I'd love to walk you through the process and connect you with trusted local inspectors. I am Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker, helping you move forward with confidence, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.